Hello everyone, we are going to make a cute bunny starting by making his face and the long ears. We're gonna move ahead towards the cone from which he is popping out. We're gonna detail the cone as well as face of the bunny by making the eyes, nose and the cute blush. Now you can color it with any color you want as you want. We are using pink and peach color for coloring the drawing. Next, we are going to make a popsicle starting by making the structure of the popsicle. We're gonna make the stick. Now we are going to color it by using the peach color and some pink color. After it is ready, we are going to color the edges of it by using the brown color and it is completed. Next, we are going to make a cute rabbit by using a coin. We're gonna make the face first, then we're gonna make the long ears, then moving towards his body, we're gonna make the hands, legs, and the tail. Next, we are going to make a pig starting by making his face. We are going to make the nose, ears, eyes, and then the mouth. After that, we will make its body starting by making the clothes and then the hands. After that, we're gonna make a big watermelon in his hands. Then we're gonna make some curved lines on the watermelon. After that, you can color it with any color you want and it is completed.